Guys, this is how you patch the hose properly. You see that? I got the master joker, Jonathan, doing all the patching work, making it look good so the next tenant could be nice and comfortable. Give me a thumbs up if you like how he patched it, you know what I mean? So there he is right there, the man of the hour, patching shit up, making sure everything is good. You know what I mean? Still repping Miami, MIA, with weight on his back. Know what I mean? Touching the wall, filling it up. Know what I mean? That didn't sound right. But he is getting the job done perfectly. Look at that shit. Look at that. And that's a little trick. Not a lot of people know this, but you see this right here? That's a little trick, baby. See that? Wow. You know, on the next video, I'll teach you guys about the trick. And
the trick to the trade.
the trick to the trade. Look at this one. This one is already complete and done. No, hey, you gotta be careful because now we still got that one to do. And this one, as you can see, it's already done. Just gotta sand it down, and it's a done deal. All right. Make sure you like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Do all that good things with positive vibe. Also, we just finished installing this fan. Real simple, easy peasy. I wish I would have put the camera so you guys would have seen how easy it is to install that and bring it down. Basically, I swapped it from one room, the one we were just in, to this one. And on the other one, we're gonna put a better one. And basically over here, as you can see, there's nothing there because we took down the chandelier to put a brand new chandelier, make it look better. We got the black wire, the ground wire, and the positive trigger to the switch right there, all right? So again, I'm gonna sign off for real this time. So one love, keep it safe out there. If you see the little red on the bottom, that means you're not subscribed yet. So go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. And let me know if you got your own trick of the trade and how would you have fixed this wall, all right? See you guys later, have fun, and you know we love you. Bye.